I am an Indian and we celebrate all festivals in every region of every religion. That is why it is called Incredible India. And every year we wait for festivals to celebrate. A very hearty morning to all. This is Meenakshi from class 8. Festivals teach us that life is a celebration. They teach us to bring positivity, joy, and happiness in our thoughts, which reflects in our lives. Among all the festivals of Hindus, Holi is the most colorful and vibrant festival of India. It is the time to love and forgive. It is the time to show affection. It is the time to break the ice, renew relationships, and link ourselves with those we wanted to with a bit of color. It is the time to unwind, de stress. Let me first wish you all a very colorful, cheerful, joyful, and happy Holi. Holi is a traditional Hindu festival which signifies the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. Holi also celebrates the Hindu god Krishna and the legend of Holika and Prahlad. Hiranyakashipu was an evil king. He had special powers that made him nearly invincible. He was so powerful he started to act like a god and punished or killed anyone who disobeyed him. He had a son called Prahlad. Prahlad disobeyed his father and worshipped Vishnu instead of him. So his father planned to kill him. The king asked his sister Holika to help kill Prahlad. Holika had a special cloak that would protect her from fire. So she planned to trick Prahlad by taking him into a fire, but the plan failed and the cloak flew from Holika and covered Prahlad. Prahlad was safe and Vishnu then defeated the evil king. Today, Hindus light bonfires on Holi to represent the triumph of good over evil. Dear friends, let us celebrate Holi with great fervor and fun. Refresh our bonds and relationships. Throw out all negativity and spread the colors of compassion, happiness, and kindness. And here I end. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.